What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more Nintendo Switch Lite accessory reviews. And this time we're going to be looking at this brand new charging dock that I just got in. We're going to check it out.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
So this charging dock is from the company, I guess it's Adobe. I just got this in. It's for the Switch Lite. Just gonna pop this open. I know it's taped. Break the tape. There we go. Just gonna pop this open. So it comes in different colors. It comes in every color that the actual Switch comes in itself. So the mango yellow color, the turquoise, and the gray color. Nothing else is in the box, just the actual dock itself. You got some instructions, but we know we just gotta plug it up. So the dock itself, USB Type-C, and this is for charging. It's plasticky, just hard piece of plastic, has rubberized grips on the bottom of it. So I'm gonna plug it up, USB Type-C, and when you plug it up, no lights are on here. So I'm gonna take it off of this stand I got back here. That's from Subcase. You wanna check that stand out, I'll link it below as well. But there we go. Sits on that dock just like that. Now it looks, I mean, it is charging, so, but this is pulling. I'm gonna loop that around that. There we go. So there we go. That's it. It's a dock. It's just a dock. That's all it is. It's a dock. It's gonna hold your Nintendo. You're not gonna have to lay it down and charge it. So it's just a little accessory that you can have, something that goes with it. Your color can match up. It's very minimalistic. It actually works. I don't think you're getting a fast charge out of this or anything, but that's pretty much it. You're going to plug it into a USB Type-C source. It is going to charge up. There we go. Got our charging lightning bolt right there, and that's it. Very small, very portable, very compact, and it holds it too. I mean, you got to really pull that to get it off there. Holding it upside down, and it's still on there, and it's still charging as well. So it does seem like it may be a little wobbly, but even though it's a little bit wobbly on there, it's still not hindering your actual charge itself. And when you pull it off, it comes off really easily. That little notch back there, this piece kind of goes right up in there, snaps in, and you're good to go. So even though it may seem a little wobbly, it's not gonna fall off. Even when it tilts, it comes right back. And that gripping system on the bottom is gonna hold it nice, neat, and in place. So one more thing I wanna do, because I did a previous video of the Moomba case, the Moomba. I'm gonna drop this down in there. Got it on upside down. Drop that down in there, just like so. And I told you I wanted to see if this would go on there. So there we go. Does not. So if you got a case on there, especially this Moomba case, it won't fit. It's just too bulky to go down on there. And this charging dock is very minimalistic. So there you have it. You got to charge it just like that. No case, no nothing. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Like I said, this is by the company Adobe. I'm going to leave a link below so you can check this out for yourself. USB Type-C to USB Type-C. You're going to just plug a USB-C adapter in, plug your Nintendo in right there. Hopefully you get some good results just like I did. So until next time, hopefully this is able to help someone out. Be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.